Hello everyone. I forgot to click start stream on the actual page. Damn it. Alright. Nope, we're live. Alright, let's go. Okay, so plan for today's stream, whatever it is really, is to just get return statements to work in my language. And I'm gonna be doing that by just messing around and seeing if it works. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna disable this animation first, because that is our triangle animation. Then we have a cat, blah blah blah, all these tests. Now we're gonna add a new test and we're gonna call it test 9. So we're gonna define a function. I forgot how to define a function in this language, god damn it. Where do I define a function? Okay, here. Okay. We're gonna name it test. Nice function naming, I know. We're gonna have 2. Actually, we're gonna have x. I forgot to give it a type, int x, and we're gonna return x. We're not gonna do any we're not gonna allow mathematical operations or anything here, just because that makes it easier for me. Right, and I also need to specify that it's gonna be a return type of int. So we're gonna do int y equals to test with 2, and if y 2, then the test is passed. I am so dumb. What am I doing? Passed. We're just gonna copy this line from here. Right, okay, so we have this down. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this real quick. We're gonna do new build. Okay, and we get an unknown action return, which is correct, because we don't have that implemented. So let's go implementing that. Yay! Did I accidentally change something? No, I shouldn't have, okay. What we're gonna reuse is probably just any random module, really. Let's see. We're gonna need to rewrite how a function declaration works. Function takes items, load return position. So I have a return position, but we also need to have a return type, return length, and stuff like that. Return size. Okay, so we have this returns type. We're gonna just plop it in into here. So now we'll just see a lot of voids in the assembly code once we build it, because you can see here we have a declaration, takes nothing, and there is no return because we didn't compile this, well, run this code yet. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna find where we format it, and here we do that. Wait, no, that's to create a function there. We're gonna do returns. That should be good. Now we build it again. Ah, right. Well, I don't think it's gonna show up here yet because our build failed. We don't have an action for returns. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna write a basic one that'll just ignore everything. What you can do easily is to just copy this, press tab a few times, say return module, and the name's gonna be return, right? Yep, return. Special action, not func, just special action. Sub.template will be empty for now. Actually, yeah, let's keep it empty for now. And we're gonna have def proc tree returns nothing. Let's actually print. Also, let's set our sub.compiler instance to compiler instance. We can print the tree actually here and do self.compiler instance.pause. Which will let us pause that compilation. let's do that so we have some type. Right, okay. So another thing you must do here is now we need to actually add this module to our compiler. So this is where our compiler is declared, the class. Now we actually needed to add it to here, which populates all our modules. You can extend the compiler using this. So if you, for example, we added goto last night. If you go to the goto module, it's a simple goto. And all you need to do to add it from the modules file is to just import it in the main file and then put it inside the populate modules actions list. So it's pretty nice, as you can see. It doesn't return anything. All right, okay. So now if we run the compiler, our compilation's paused because that is our tree for the return statement. So we want to return an X over here. Compilation time paused. In return, failed to unpack comments. Perhaps you mean to no construct. Yes, thank you, past me. I forgot about that. Issue is we can't actually call no construct on this because we don't actually call it ourselves. Return mod, okay. Because our actual compiler here calls it for us, we can't give it a no construct option. So we are gonna have to construct it. We're gonna do constructor. Is it called constructor? I forgot the naming scheme for this. Give me a second. A lot of them use build. Let's just use build. Gonna do this. And in our template, we're just gonna have build. Unknown type supply function call. What? Oh, right. Okay. So if you remember, we actually want to assign the return value from this function, and we're assigning to a y. So right now our variable assignments module is complaining because it says I cannot find oops, I'm in the wrong file. I cannot find what a module call should be doing, right? So we're gonna need to figure out how to get how to make a new variable from this and have y be assigned to the value of that variable. It sounds simple enough, so we're gonna give it a shot and see how that goes. Yeah. I'm actually gonna really quickly check the stream to make sure the audio is correct and the music's playing still. Okay, yeah, that seems all to be good. So let's get back here. All right, function declaration. Ooh. So we have our program, which we can append to. We have a body here. I say we can use a module for actually creating the variable to not have to write any assembly code, but I don't remember how to get the assembly out of it. So this is it, the variable assignment module. I do use it in quite a lot of places, but I do not remember how to actually get the assembly that's constructed out of it. Ah, Jesus. Right. Nope, that's all still types. Nope, that's math now. Okay. No, that doesn't seem to be correct. We can call a no construct on it, so it doesn't actually get constructed. We can intercept the .proc tree. If we call it ourselves, if we call it .proc tree ourselves, we can actually get the constructed assembly out of it. I don't remember what no add is. Let me quickly check. Okay, so that's adding it to the instance. Yeah, we don't need that. We do not need that. Because, oh, I am so sorry. We're probably just gonna use an underscore for the name of it. And since we don't want to add it, we just want to have, you know, just have it created. I think that should be fine. Wait, no add. Does that still increment our length? I have a feeling it does. Let me quickly check. Resolution module, no. Let's go to something simple. Where is the simple types like math? Math, like an integer. Okay, this is for integer. That doesn't seem correct. Offset. Where am I? No, this is normal. If special, oh, okay, it's special. Okay, otherwise, do it here. Right, we use allocate. Correct. Okay, so we can just call a, we can create it, but then we'll have to pass it around somehow. So that our compiler knows, like, once we create it here, right? It'll be still in the instance object. We can just call the variable return and then have y be assigned to, so y will be actually test, or well, compiler instance dot functions, our func name, and then we can do dot variables, actually dot get variable, and we're gonna get the variable which will be return. And then we can do, yeah, that sounds about right. We'll have to construct the tree for this ourselves, of course, because this will basically return us a dictionary, which will look something like this. So it'll have pause, it'll have type, and it'll have objects. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna use pause and type to ask the compiler to make it so that y is actually assigned to return, and which in fact will just read from pause, and that's good. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the comments here so I can ensure that everything works. Do the comments work? No, they don't. Okay. These multi-line comments do not work yet, which shouldn't be an issue, right? Okay. Okay. Let's go back to the returns module. So the return module, okay, now we understand how we want to do this. Let's check the tree again. Right, I can't check the tree because these comments. Jeez. That should work now. Okay, so this is an expression we have, right? Yeah, that's correct. I'll leave the compiler tab open still so we can reference it. So we have our return var, which we're gonna have to ask our compiler instance to get, and that'll be, so let's get the name first. Actually, let's not make a new variable. I think this is already like as memory expensive as it is to have all this stored like that. So we can just actually ask it, okay, give me the expression, and we're gonna ask for a 1 value. Pretty sure that's correct. So let's do print return var. If anything, it'll give us an exception saying, hey, this variable doesn't exist. Okay, no, we got it. Okay, so that's our variable that we want to return. That's its position, that's its type. Oh my god, my bird is doing some weird stuff. Right. Okay. We have a return variable. Now we want to make a new one, which will be just called return. With the same stuff. Right. So we can actually yoink the, yeah, here we go. We have the variable construction here, which we can yoink. We say, hey, give me this. Oh, right, I had the redirect. Redirect, wait, that's for reassign module though. Does our assign module have variable assignment? Scroll all of this assembly down. No pause, no add, custom from, nope, okay. Return mod. Let me actually quickly check how the, very nice, I do not know what that is, do not remember. Reassign module. Am I calling the reassign? No, this is the wrong, oh god. Right. No, we do get the assembly from it. And then we can just put no add. We can just put no add. Yeah, let's copy this real quick. Let's go to the return module. So we're gonna do, yeah, okay, we're actually gonna need to name this. Return var name. So now we can just do this, and then we can do return var type. Now I think it needs to be dot name. I think. I could be wrong. I don't know what this, no, this does need to be a string, right? This does need to be a string because this is, we're trying to add. Yeah, okay. I don't remember if it's aber or name. Okay, it's aber name. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I'll just use .aber name. That's their abbreviation name. Okay, remember return statements should not return a reference of the variable you're returning or something. They should just return the value of the variable, which will then be reassigned to whatever other variable if you want to do. Okay, Luke, quick question. Wait, are you watching right now, Luke? Can you? Stream of the year, thank you. No, you're not watching. Huh? What? How are you typing in the chat when it says I don't have any viewers? What the hell? Alright, so I was thinking, right? I was thinking of doing this. Will that work? Okay, you're watching. There is a massive delay though. I can change that, I think. No, I can't. I need to restart the stream to change the stream latency. Nice. That's great. Ah, Jesus. Right, okay. So I make... Yeah, so... It might take some... Okay, let me just get to the explanation of how I wanted to do it at first. So what I do, right, is we have a int y which we want to assign the return value of test to. I cannot track between the different modules as to what another module has in its body. So I can't just say, hey, this test declaration, which will this resolve to, can I have the return value of it? I will have to actually make a new variable inside this function called returns, and then ask the compiler to find that variable and set its value to y. So that's what this y equals return, return, because we get the variable from here. We go to our compiler instance, we ask the function to get the variable return, because we can't define, we can't say specifically which variable we want to reference in the modules. We have to actually make a new one with a universal name. So every single function, no matter what I name it, even if it's test2, will still secretly have a new return variable inside it. And this is what we're going to be assigning y to. That was my plan. Yeah, it's gonna be... Yeah. Oh, that's true. That's true. Wait, no, but would it? Because we specify the return type. So the size will be exactly the same. If it breaks, that just means there was another type that you tried to return. For example, I can't just say, hey, return it, I don't know, a list here. I think the compiler itself will start to complain. Yeah, I was planning on to just make a new one inside the main block. Where is it? Yeah, so somewhere like where we have these variable reassignments, I'll have a variable assignment for all the return values for these functions. Although I'm pretty sure they will be declared inside the actual function bodies here. So for example, if I say I want to have this thing return something, right? This read, it'll have like a variable assignment here, like, and then that'll try to create it though again. No? Huh. Let me check if variable assignment is possible in these functions. Where is this? No, it's not a function. No. No, it is possible. Okay, we can do variable assignments and it'll work just fine. Yeah, it's not gonna be global. It's gonna be inside the actual function body here. So instead of this variable assignment, so here we'll have, just ignore this. We'll just have return, and like blah 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 here, right? We're gonna have it like that, and it will be one return variable per function with its own length and stuff. So I think that'll work. Instead of having like a global return value, we're not actually gonna have like, okay, so this compiler instance here is gonna be our main one, and then it's gonna ask for a function declared inside it, and the function has another compiler instance in itself, which will get the variable from inside there. And you can't have variables, you can't access a variable of a function from outside, usually in this code, usually without, you know, doing some weird stuff, like using pointers, right? So I think that'll be fine. I can't just say, for example, if I declare, you know, int equals x 0, I won't be able to just say x equals 2. It'll say the variable is not found, because it's only assigned, you know, it's a local variable, so that should be fine. Right, so, okay, then if we want to get this to work, I'm gonna need to do this. We're gonna have to make a new tree, return, that's our ID, that's our type. No, we're actually gonna have to do return here. That's our type, okay, and then we want the expression there. The expression we want it to be is to assign it to a variable, so I think if we just say tree expression, that should be fine. Because tree expression 0 will be ID, and tree expression 1 will be this thing. This is what usually we see during construction of a variable. Assign the module is not defined. Right, I forgot about that. Oh, I already missed my mouse. I'm using a Razer mouse instead of my MX Master, and the scroll wheel is just terrible. Right, what do we need? We need an assignment module. Let's put dependency here. That should work. Okay, func instance is not defined. That's correct, because we're gonna have a self dot compiler instance, and that oops. Var pause is not defined. That's correct, because we actually, yeah, I completely forgot to modify this. We're gonna do print asm. We're gonna custom var pause is none. From pause and nah, we don't care. What we want is no add to be true. No construct. No, we do want a construction of it. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that seems to work. Load value from position is this, which is our X value. We can verify it by looking up here. That's the same address. So it loads the value from there and constructs a new variable called return. And now we should be actually be able to access it. Now, one thing I'm gonna check really quickly to ensure nothing breaks is we're gonna check our namespace to make sure we're actually in the function. God damn it, every single time. To make sure, okay, we're submain. Okay, that's good, that's good. Submain basically means we're in a function. Main means we're in the, oh my god, what is this called again? I forgot. Whatever, the global namespace, whatever it is. So for example, this will be in the main namespace. And if we go to a function, this is the sub main. And then if we go to namespace, it'll return us test namespace here in this case. And if you call it here, for example, this will be happening in the test namespace as well. So sub namespace is, submain is good. That's good. That means we are in the function instance still, and we haven't gone up back to the main one. So I think we're good to go here, really. Let's add our assembly. Let's properly define our template. We're gonna have return. Yeah, I'll just keep it simple. Return var name of type. That'll make it a bit easier for us. We're gonna have our thingy called build, and our build will equal to self.templates .format format. Well, we have, oh sorry, I forgot about the build. Put it there. Actually, wait. Oh right, we have the construct will do that for us, so it's fine. So we can just do build equals asm. And we can't have any of this, so we're just gonna keep the return. Now what I'm gonna do quickly just to test if this return variable construction works. So we're gonna remove that assignment. Got y unknown variable. Nope. Ignore that. Okay, that built. Yeah, I don't know how to fix this. I think that's just a GPU issue. Also, yep, see ya, Luke. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this. Why is it blinking like that? We'll figure it out, right? Everything seems to be passing, so I didn't mess anything up yet. Now we're gonna search for returns. Okay, that's all good. Return. Huh. The return is empty. No, it's not empty. Because we have this. I'm dumb. Why is it putting return twice? Wait. Is it because construction already does it? I think so, right? No. What? Oh, right, I forgot to actually... Huh? Bro, what? Okay, let's do return. Yeah. Not quite sure what's going on there, but okay. Well, if we have it separated out like turn end. Should probably remove that pause, it's getting annoying. Oh. Okay, just wants it printed twice, so whatever, I guess. I don't know what to do there. Oh, I know why. I know why. I know why. I am dumb. So return removal this stupid printing. We don't need that. Who cares? Who cares? Just gonna have ASM here. That should work. Now that'll return it properly. We have return, return end. Okay, good. This will just make it easier for us to track like what we're returning and how it's going on. Next, we are actually gonna put everything back to how it was. Unknown type supplied function call. Well, it's not gonna be unknown for long, right? We're gonna do elif expr 0 equals, what am I doing? That's the wrong document. Right, control, function call. We're gonna print expr, and we're gonna quit the 1 so that nothing gets run afterwards. Okay, function call, function arguments, positional. Oh god. Right. Now we have a problem. How do we implement this? Do we ask for our function call? Wait, yeah, that makes perfect sense. We just pass this on to our function call, and then we get the instance, and then we assign it to the variable of blah blah blah. That works, I think. Let's make sure. We have our function call module right here, so that's gonna be our name. I never actually used the function call module. What? Wow, I did not know that. It doesn't even have a call override. What? It really doesn't. I'm actually surprised. I thought I put a call overload on it. Okay. Well, first of all, let's go back to this line, which is now this, and say func call Nah, it's ugly. Fun call mod equals self.compiler instance. Actually, we can do this even. Function call mod dot get action function call. That should be correct. Yep, that works. Okay, we have a function call mod now. Issue with it is its call is not overridden. We want to do this basically. What is this internal? Whatever it is, I do not remember. All right, let's go to our function call module again and add this override. Self.internal, self.initial. Let's return this self.internal for now. It doesn't seem correct, so I'm gonna leave it as is. We're not gonna have any optimizations on it, just keep it at the default. Now func call mod asm, we should be able to just call it with the expression of 1. Yeah, that works. We're calling test. That works just fine. Now I wonder if it actually built it or not. Also, we're gonna set a constructor to be actually, why bother? I can just call the I can recursively call this same module. I can do self dot. Yeah, I can call a self on this thing. Right? I think so, right? Yeah, that would make sense. I do think I should print out the expression first and see what the hell is going on here, on how to format it. Do we have pp print? Pp print? We have pp print, okay. So all we have is the function call? No. We should have more information. I just forgot the variable names. First of all, there should be a var name or something, var type, var, you know. Yeah. Should be somewhere in the top here. Yeah, we have our expression, var, and var type. Okay. So we're gonna need to make a new constructor for it. And I think we can yoink one from the reassignment module. Or this. Yeah, this. Let me read it through again though. Ignore this. It's this horrible code. But it helps a lot. Right, yeah, let's yoink this. It's so easy now to find it. Right, we're gonna call a self with this. I don't know if this is actually gonna work, and if it does, then that is amazing. Because I have never called self like this. String index out of range. Yeah, okay, that's correct. We want to have a var. Our type is var type. And our expression is going to be id. Ooh, I can do a from pause. I don't remember how a from pause works. What the tree is from the from pause. Do I just leave the expression empty and just say from pause? Let me check what the name is. From pause, right? Oh Jesus. Sorry for that. Right, self.from pause is what we're gonna need to use, and I don't see it. Nice. Gref, get index. Nope, we want self.from pause. Self.from pause, and it's getting really hot. Whew. All right. Do we ever actually? Yeah, we do. We do. Var position option, load action, pause with offset. Right, but how does our... Now that's get index once again. We must have a way to match an ID. Where is the ID stored in? Special types. Okay, then it's somewhere in here. If var in special types, or expression 0 in special types. Okay, if it's an ID, we have. If we have set of from var in the call, then we should manually set the object here. This is useful for when the var is out of scope, specifically when it's in the parent scope. Bro, I do not remember what this is, but okay. I wrote this like 2 days ago though. Nah, not 2 days ago. I'm joking. Wait, no, 2 days ago when I was... like a week ago when I was implementing namespaces properly. Right. From var pause. From var. Oh man, I really wish I remember how to use it. Wait, no, we use it somewhere. Assign module from var. Variable reassignment module. Ooh. That's correct. Just need to doing this. Okay, fun call. Funny call. And then we can actually just use this, right? I'll be right back. And we're back. All right. Mouse is 100% battery. Sure. Whew. All right. What was the plan now? So, come on. It's been an hour, you know. All right. Let's continue. So we don't have an assigned module here. That's correct because that is a self now. The tree is new tree. We don't have a tree. I don't remember the syntax for it either. Where is it? What's all this? Template to var, template to btr. Oh, value at pointer. Okay. Okay, there we go. We have a new tree right here. Let's go back to func call and declare our new tree. So our new tree will have var as the name, var 3 definitions. Okay, no, we need this one. Okay, that gives us a string. Okay, that's fine. We have a var type. Okay, how can I sneak preview, by the way? Like, I want to see, I want to peek the declaration. I should add a binding for that, probably. A key bind. Let's not actually give it any expression to deal with. Just because. No. We need a expression actually. ID value return. Right? Right? Wrong. No. I think I will actually have to get the functions thing. Correct? No. Oh God, I'm so confused. Right. What is from var? I think that's just an object we need to pass in. So I think we could just go and say, okay, wait. We need to get the return var will be our self.compiler instance. No, we can actually do this, right? Self.compiler dot functions, and then we can get the function name. Boom. I don't remember what the expression's like though. Function call, okay, and then we can just get ID. ID dot get variable return 1941. Oh, right. Return var. Unhashable type dictionary. Which one? Which variable is it, man? Right, of course you're gonna give me that weird line. Function call, right? No, that's correct. It should be able to just go with ID. Oh, never mind. I need to go one value, of course. That should work now. The dictionary object has how do we have functions again? Now I know it's a dictionary, right? But how do we add a function? Oh, we use create function. Okay, well, I'm gonna get an object. That's what we need. We need an object. Oh. Okay. I'm struggling at typing. Key error object. Okay. Let's put a hashtag here and comment it out and print return var to see what is going on. Quit with a 1. Oh, it's object, not obj. And sometimes I'm just not very smart. Got unknown return. Ooh. Okay, so for some reason it thinks there is no such variable. When there is. Let's actually create a variable called test var and see if that appears inside the scope. It does. Okay, so we do have a test var if we create it that way. I think the issue is that when I did that return mod, I put no add, which is not true. We do need to add it. Okay, and now we have our thing. All right, I'm gonna turn down the browser a bit. Noise. Yes, hello.
Oh.
Hi. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. I'm adding return statements. It's very fun. Definitely not a pain in the butt. So far, I managed to make a variable, and now I need to reassign it. I know, it's magical. I explained it a bit earlier in the stream. But
oh, wow, your stream is very lagged behind.
Yeah, it is. A lot. Like a lot.
Yep. It's so lagged behind that I could have your stream running in the background and I won't get any reverb, you know?
Bruh. Just mute it.
You really accomplished something.
Thank you. Yes, Luke, Discord call sound. I got the Pi guy to join the, you know, very fun. Very much development. Yeah. Wait, can you actually hear him or no? Because I have music playing as well. So I don't know if it works properly.
I think I'm kind of quiet.
You're kind of quiet. Because for me, you're very fucking loud. Let's turn you up a bit. Okay, that should be a bit better. Let me make my external be the main one. Oh no. Is the stream fine? Yep, it is. Somehow. Wow. Scaling broke. Let's go. Yo, the Pi guy, can you name the 123rd? You can see the chat.
123rd.
No.
120. Oh, yeah, it's 6 actually.
6. Holy shit. You're good at this. Jeez.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's definitely 6. I have about a 10% chance of being right, you know?
I still am not gonna forgive you for messing up my GNOME thing by pressing the dark mode in appearance. Now half my system is in dark mode. Yes, half my system is in dark mode, and the other half is in white, and the rest of it is transparent. Oh, jeez.
Sucks to be you, man.
Yeah, it really does. Right now I'm just changing the display orientation. Apply. Please don't break the scaling. Please don't break the scaling. I'm gonna put 200 scaling on the external display. No. Nope, that was bad. That was bad. Oop.
Dude, you have like void like down there, you know?
Yeah, that's because I'm on ultra wide. I was gonna put a video or like a terminal down there, and in the end it just looked ugly as hell, so I kind of gave up.
Put your chat down there, you know?
My chat.
And maybe like a
Oh, that's
webcam,
true.
you know?
Nah, I'm not gonna bother with a webcam. It's setting it up is gonna be so much effort.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay, I fixed my resolution now. That's good.
Yeah.
The stream is still 720p, and I don't know why. Originally it was 1080p.
Delicious.
Thank you, Kunal. Scaled resolution 720p. Whatever. It should be fine for now. Right. So I know Rust, you can be like, hey, this is the variable name. I'm not gonna bother typing return, so just return this in the end.
Yeah. I think it's because Rust is sort of inspired by functional languages, and they do it like that over there.
Yeah, that's a pain in the butt to implement, though.
Yeah. I don't think it's a good practice, though. I don't like it when people do that.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Like, you want to see where it actually returns.
Yeah.
Well, because like,
it makes sense if you're thinking of Rust as like a very functional language, right? Like everything is evaluating to that, right? And that is just, you know, yeah, I'm just sending that back, you know.
yeah.
But yeah, I don't like that. Wait, give me a moment.
Oh, my display messed up again. So I'm currently using two displays, one ultra wide, which I'm actually streaming on. This one. Wait, this one. I don't know which mouse is which now. This is the ultra wide I'm streaming on, and to the side I have my other laptop monitor which I'm using. Not only is the scaling messed up because one is 4K, the laptop one, and the other one is
Don't listen to
1080p.
anything Rust says, bruh. Why this hate? Why this hate?
Yes, Rust is bad. Stop using Rust. Oh jeez. Right.
Imagine being bullied for using an objectively better language.
I think you're just being very biased and opinionated, you know? That's a bit different. How do you add a chat?
You need to, so when you're in the chat, you should like, you know, there's like 3 dots, click on that and pop out chat. Then you need to copy the URL of the pop out and you add it as a browser source.
Oh, but I need to install plugin for that.
No, you could just, you know, do that and you could just add this as a browser source. Like,
There is no browser source in standard OBS.
do that. No, browser source should be a thing.
No, it's not on Linux.
No? Oh.
No.
Why is OBS like this?
No, okay. The neat little part is, I'm pretty sure when I had Fedora OBS, which is like the newest one, like from Fedora, I mean, from the DNF package manager, it had a browser source, but it didn't work for me because I was using Wayland. But the Ubuntu OBS Studio is too old, and it doesn't have browser source.
You could use, oh wait, you can't even use stream elements then.
No.
Bruh.
Time to
I
make
think
our
I
own
used the
streaming
plugin as
software.
well.
Yeah, there is one.
You could use the GPU screen recorder, or you could use FFmpeg, dude. Use this FFmpeg.
FFmpeg? FFM? FFM? That's the wrong screen capture, goddammit.
Femboy peg, you know, FFmpeg.
No, this is a kids-friendly stream. Please do not use that sort of language.
I don't know if it's kids friendly, man. You're using C++.
That's so C++ even.
Yeah, it's close enough.
No, we're missing so many features.
Yeah, it's like C++ version like beta 3.0 or something, you know, like beta 0.3, you know, something like that.
Of course, you know, just can't really can't do anything without C-honky, the C++ alternative, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, which one is the actual stream? Okay, it's this one. Yeah, so there is a plugin from 2020 that's it's archived. Good news, starting with version 25, OBS ships with browser source on Linux.
I think I have browser source. Okay, here's the thing though, like I think my GTK libraries are sort of messed up, so apps take way too long to launch. Some apps.
Classic. Yes.
OBS is one of them, even though it uses Qt.
How do I check the version I have? Oh, about, right. Yeah, mine's 27. Yeah, and
27, dude, that is old.
No, but it should be shipping with 25. Something is wrong. Oh, my audio glitched?
What did you use for the package to, like, did you use a snap or something?
No, just OBS-Studio from APT.
Oh, from APT.
Bro, what do you mean, oh, from APT? They
Let
do.
me check if they support app.
Pretty sure that's official.
Because I think they moved to like Flatpak plus snaps a while ago. Or maybe just Flatpaks, I don't know.
Maybe.
All I know that is that they don't have a native Arch package. Yeah, look at this. Ooh. Yeah. You need to add a PPA, it seems, right? So yeah, it is native, I don't know, bro. Okay, I'm gonna flex on you. Look at this, dude.
Oh god, your microphone's lagging. Wow,
Yeah,
thanks
I
for
think it's
flexing.
just
Yeah, that's a new one. Dude, look at my stream. You'll see the OBS studio that I have. Like how it looks. That's the old look. You have the new one.
Oh, dude, you could go to settings and change the theme. This is built in.
I don't think it's in this version.
I'm pretty sure it's called like Ayu or something.
Oh, never mind. Raichi. Acri. I'm gonna keep it on this one. Apply, okay. That looks fine.
Yeah.
Transition. Whew. Thanks for flexing on me, Kunal. Very nice of you.
No problem. Oh wow, maybe you don't have the same theme which I have. Oh my gosh, what is that theme? I think your stream just caught up.
Yeah, it did. No, I forgot what I was doing. Kunal. God damn it. Okay, no, I remember now. I actually got to the point where I found the variable that I'm trying to assign from to.
I'm still trying to figure out what I was trying to do with the protocol. I should write like to-do notes or something.
Dude, you called it simp. You called it simp. I don't think there is any way you can recover from that.
I mean, isn't that a good name though?
No.
Siren Infra Manager Protocol, you know, it makes sense. It's nothing weird, okay?
Since when was it related to Siren?
For like the first 30 minutes of its lifespan.
Exactly. Okay, let's see if this actually compiles. Oh my god, it actually worked.
What?
I didn't. Okay, so basically the way I did it is I'm reusing a lot of modules that are written before, so I don't even need to implement return statements for every single type. I can just have a generic one and then auto fill in everything else. Like CMMW, because it's an int. See? Very nice, very nice. What I can actually even do, I can do a check on what it returns. And like check if the type of what it's trying to return is correct.
Yeah, I mean, I assume it would be basic.
Well, you would assume so, but I now need to add some stuff to how a function is actually created. Function deck. I love some function deck.
Oh, dude, I in Discord I hear you typing, but on the stream I see you moving your mouse. So it just, you know, I just have this impression that now you are moving your mouse using your mind, you know?
Yeah, I'm actually moving it using my eyes. Dude, imagine that workflow.
You could.
You go Vim on your keyboard and your eyes to move the
Yeah.
cursor and the windows and like everything. That would be insane.
Yeah.
But reading would
Dude,
be a
I
pain in
looked
the
into
ass.
it.
What?
So the company which makes like the eye trackers which all the streamers use, they don't make it for Linux. Like they have Linux versions of the software, but they only work with like 10 grand, you know, like scientific eye trackers, you know? They don't work with the cheap ones.
Oh, yeah, okay, but you see the issue we have is we have glasses.
Oh, does that
I mean-
make a difference though?
I mean, you can take them off. I can't.
Yeah, I kind of suffer from taking them off because now I can't really see anything properly. But you know, when I put them on, it's not, you know, it doesn't feel normal.
Yeah, just live with them. Do everything with them.
Yeah, okay, give me a moment then. Let me bring my glasses.
I literally can't see anything unless the screen is like right in my face.
Oh, there's a lot of dirt on it because I gave them outside.
Bruh. So today we'll be overthrowing the Chinese government. To do so, we will type in Chinese government overthrow now 0x69 420 execute this terminal Chinese command not found. Oh no, they're onto me. Right, so we have the assembly now. Now what the hell was I doing? All right, I wanted to add a type check. So the way we can do this is you can see we have a create function. Right, I can just ask the instance. The instance is not gonna know though. Because the only time our user returns is for the formatting. But if we put returns here, go to create function, add a returns, which is a string, I guess. We can add a returns here. And then boom, we have a return type. Welcome back. So now I should be able to query it. If we do, yeah, let's actually just call this func. So it's easier to reference. Func object, return type of func. Ignore that. Int. Okay, so it's a string. And then I can just do if var type dot lower is not equal to return type of function raise transpiler exceptions dot type mismatch. Line for var got expected. Do we have a line? We don't. Let's keep it as that. See, that works. Okay, that doesn't bring an issue, but if we change the return type of the function to a char, this should throw an error at us. For y got int expected char. No, I'm gonna need to write a new exception for that. Return type mismatch. That should work. Okay, line 154 for test got int expected char. No, that's because I'm still using the wrong exception. This should be the correct one. For function test, return type's value was int expected char. That seems correct.
It does seem correct.
But magically it's actually incorrect. Boom.
Damn. Yeah, I have no idea what you're doing, by the way.
Do I look like I know what I'm doing?
No?
Exactly. Mouse sensitivity is awful on Bluetooth. Jesus. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now it'll error out if you try to return anything of a different type. Now we can actually add this assembly. Let's go. Say constructor equal to asm. And now if this works, that'll be epic. Let me just add the failed option. Got unknown function println. Eh? What? Oh, I misspelled it. Ooh, that's a big crush. Unhandled read? That's not even related to what I did. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. Oh, I think I messed something up, dude. The original code doesn't even compile.
Bro.
It crashes. Long instruction caused the crash. No further clues could be found. The contents of R13 are invalid. R13 is for if statements. I'm so confused. This shouldn't have modified anything. Let's check the source.
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna just eat lunch real quick.
Alright. See you in a bit.
Yep. Yeah.
R13 is the return, not an if statement. Okay, I chose the worst possible function probably. Huh? LDR 13.5. For one, I don't understand why that is a thing for reassignments. R13 shouldn't be an reassignment if R13 is used for returns. Something is wrong. I messed up somewhere. What is that? I don't remember using... I do not remember using R13. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's LDR13 dot lmemw. Wait, no, cmemw. What? I'm so confused. What broke? Oh my god, I'm dumb, am I not? I think I accidentally pressed the 3 there. Yeah, I accidentally pressed the 3 and it was failing because of that. Test 9 doesn't print anything. Let's see why that is. Oh, it's because I uncommented everything. Because that was struggling. Let's check if it builds. Test 9 failed. We're checking if Y is 2. Ah. There's an issue somewhere. Okay. Let me remove all these comments since those are for implementation. Now that's basically done. Still a bit confused as to why this is failing. That shouldn't be failing. Y should be 2. Okay, I have an idea on how we can test it. Is we can do V, and then we can do put char Y. Sorry. Wow, I don't even know what that is. We are having a really strange issue. Let me rename this to return test so I can actually search it easily in the assembly. Right, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do fuzzy searching probably for finding variables that are got a similar name. Oh my gosh, I just realized none of you guys actually saw the emulator output. Let me add a window capture real quick. There we go. Now you should be able to see this window capture. Let me close that and run it again to make sure that OBS still finds it. Okay. OBS, I think this is a GPU issue though. I don't know how to fix it. Sometimes, oh Jesus, my phone fell. Sometimes it just does that blinking thing. And I don't know what to do about it. Oh well. I agree. Cope. Right. We need to figure out why is being set to that. So let's search y return test with lmmdbw. Load value from position. Okay, so this is where we actually reassign it. That's a return value. And this is where we set it. LB. Why is there? Okay, no, that's correct. Load value from that into this. Load value into from pause for y return. No, that looks correct to me. I don't get why it's failing. There's 3 instances of it. Yeah, correct. Yeah, y return test LGR, load from there. And conditional. Right. I'm so confused. No. Everything looks to be correct in the code. But for some reason it gives me that question mark box thing. You could probably see it here and it says failed X. All right. I don't get it. Okay, what if we remove that and we say char equals v and then we call it with nothing? Invalid syntax somewhere? Yep, I forgot a semicolon. Still fails. Right. I don't know how to get any more info about this. This is the correct address and it's loading everything correctly, so why is it struggling? Let's check how it's being set again. Standard construction from position for y test with lmmw, with lmmb, sorry. From position this, which is correct. And the standard construction for position. No, that's the bottom one. Need to go to this one where it's actually constructed. Wait. Variable reassignment. Wait, where does this happen? Wait, why does this happen here? Is that our issue? Load value from... Yeah, that's our issue. I don't think we called a function yet. Does the function call never occur? What is the function name? It is test. What is this b value? Oh, that's for this. Yeah, okay. So the function is never called. That's why. That makes sense. The function was never actually called in the first place. Right. Fun call. Asm. That's our issue. I'm gonna do this very ugly trick of call this phasm, phasmophobia, and put phasm here, do /n, and voila, we're good to go. Passed? What? What? Huh? What? Passed from where? Something doesn't seem right. Let me just quickly phasm and see what the assembly's going on. No, it's calling the right function. Oh no. Oh no, I think I know what the issue is, guys. I now have multiple functions named test. And multiple positions where dot test, nope, dot test is defined. Oh. Which shouldn't be a thing because test right here is a... Oh god. You can't have the same function names. Oops. There we go. Putting my phone on a stand so it's easier. There we go, and doesn't fall over now. Right. So the issue is now is that we kind of need to rename the labels. Let's actually, you know what? Let's quickly just see if the functionality works and call this S test. And if that works, we're perfectly good to go. And I can just actually add the stuff for the labels for namespace functions to be different. V. What? Oh, my test is wrong. Right, let's try to let's do this. First of all, delete this, then rename this to int, and have int x here. Then have this be an int. Remove this butchar, and then call this with a fucking 2. Failed. Huh? What? Is there another problem? That doesn't seem to be right. Let's put this back to how it was with our V and check it like this, right? That should pass. That passed. You can see, but the cat is very broken. Let's ignore that for now as well. I'm guessing it's because we have all of these reassignments. I would love to simplify it, but I believe this would be just a pain. How is that a 0, bro? How is that a 0? What? So when I define it in the actual, like, if I define it here in the function body, instead of having an argument for x, it seems to work fine. But the moment you pass an argument, for some reason, it just loses it. It can't find it anymore. So I say we search up S test, declaration, find the value it takes. So this should be the second, this should be the first. Load 48. Because, yeah, 0. Why is this address different? What? This address is completely different, but the variable name is the same. LMMW. Empty block uses variable reassignment module, so check above. Yes. Variable assignment. X. X is created by the function argument module, part of the module, which is correct. But when I try to assign to it, it finds another X. Do we have another X? We do. We do have another X. But I think it got overwritten. Because 118 should be V. Lowercase v. We can actually just check this real quick. Python 3 ord. Oh, sorry. Char. Yeah, V. Lowercase v. But where did this address come from? There's 4 instances of it. Huh? We get the what are these? What is this value? I think we found ourselves an issue. Because this X is way later on than this X. So if we rename it something like bruh, oops, sorry, wrong command. It passed. I think we found a major bug. Well, two major bugs. One is that functions, okay, let's write it down. Bugs. Functions in namespaces are not collide with functions in main namespace because the labels are just the function names and don't have a namespace attached to them. Right. That's our first bug. Our second bug is that function argument is replaced by an earlier declaration with the same name. I want to know where this bruh is actually defined. Like where, if it's in the main namespace or the not named namespace. Can we check that? I think we can. Standard declaration, yes. And then variable reassignment. Yes, that's correct. But the moment we change it to X, for some reason, the compiler is like, no. I found an earlier occurrence of X. So you must mean that. Why? How are function arguments defined again? Function call module. So here we resolve the actual arguments. Ah, jeez, it's ugly. Why is pause never used? No, this is function call. Which is, yeah, we need to access function call, not function declaration. Because this happens right before the function call, which means this is part of the function call. I want to trace this somehow. Right, so this is when we actually supply something. What if we don't supply an ID? We supply something else, right? Here, this should be it. Construct a new tree. Correct. This doesn't matter. This doesn't matter. I don't remember what this is for, but it definitely fixed something. So that's fine. New value for var. My question is, what is the current supplied? Let's actually print all this and do, yeah. Print name, print current supplied. What else do we want? Arg type. Yeah. So we have a lot of these now. And we're looking for X. No, we want to find a position. In 32 is not subscriptable. Okay. So how do you resolve it? Oh. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So name X, right? My question is pause. 68F, yeah, that's correct. I think we can do a from pause equals, no. To, no. New tree. What arguments does our reassignment module have? We do support custom positions. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Let me go back to function call. So you can feed it a custom position. Custom pause will be pause. Still 0. And this hasn't changed. Why? The reassignment variable should reassignment module should be using a different address now. What is it again? 68F. Oh, that is so strange. We give it a position, which is this. And we ask the reassignment to be sent to a custom position. Custom position from pause. No. No, no, no. No, no, no. From pause. No, custom position. Var pause. I think this will make it work. Failed. Now butchar is not showing anything, but this is correct address. Okay. So here you can see we first assign it as 0. This is because we need to actually define the variables for which we're gonna do the function call. I know it's probably better to not do that way, but you know, whatever. And then we reassign it to 118, which is correct. Then we call stest, which takes this variable, loads it into return value. It's correct. And then variable reassigns to this position, which is y return test. That sounds correct to me. What the hell happened here? Oh, it's probably because I pressed shift. I am definitely missing something. Am I calling quit somewhere? I think I'm calling quit. I am. No, it's increments. Increments I haven't implemented yet. Huh? I'm not calling a quit anywhere. Am I just calling quit? No. There's only 2 quits. Okay, fun call. No, the assembly updated though. What if we set it to like something like Z, I don't know. That failed, okay. But this variable should be now Z. Where is it? Oh god, I'm gonna need to. Let me just copy this. 6 F. Second occurrence, 122. Should be Z now. -C. Char. Wait, what was it? 122. Hello. Print. Thank you. Z. Yeah, it should be. What? Okay, but if we put V, it fails. Even though it's correct. Even though it's being assigned. Let me find where that print statement is, because it looks awful. Okay, there it is. These are print statements. Let me just get rid of them for now, at least, so I don't have to look at that spam. Failed. The situation here is I do not understand what's going on, because this is 1181. Whatever. One doesn't matter. This is loading from X into the return variable using the correct operations. We load the return value into our Y return test, which then should be printed out, and then it is compared against 118. Hold up. (118). Yeah, that's correct. It's 118. Why is it failing? I can't even see the output of the... I don't know what it is. I legitimately don't know what this is. Because when I try to output it, it doesn't do anything. Look, let's do this. I'm gonna do std new line. This doesn't have anything in there. Changing the value doesn't change anything. The reason I want to use char is because it lets me actually print it out, right? Alright, so my friend is asking how the progress is going, and I'm gonna be honest, pretty bad. I expected this to be like a 10-minute job, but nope. Sadly, it's not, and it's still flashing. You don't even see it on the stream. This second one is really annoying me, the second bug. You can see right here we set it to 97, which is correct. It's 97. That's an integer, and it's ASCII for A, right? Right. That's what this function takes. It takes an X at that position, which should contain A. We load it into our return variable, right? We're preparing it to be returned. And load it into this return variable, which is at this position. Right? Wrong. No, it's right. But load value from position, right, so we load it from this position now. And load it into yTest return. And why do you not output anything, man? Why? What's so difficult about this? That's the issue with this whole thing. What even is that X? Wait, what's going on here? Oh, this is before the call. Right. Load it with A, call the function, load it into this. Try to output A, doesn't work. I literally have 0 clues. What I could do is load directly from, I can load directly from return and see what that does. Let me just make this easier for myself to read. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to new build, copy this function, copy this, build complete. I have no idea what that happened there. Failed. What? It still fails? This is me loading directly from the return position. Okay, what if we load from directly X? What? Wait, no. No. This should be the output. This should be the output. The output should literally just be A now. A. You see this? This is X, and it's being set to A. X is never then used after that. Let's delete this. Set it to this. Whoa. What? Wait, why is this LMW? Oh, Jesus. Okay, I think I figured out the issue. Why is this LMW? Somebody please tell me. Let's rebuild the assembly. Do your thing. Oh, Jesus. Guys, we figured out the issue. It's using the wrong load. Why is that LMW? Who did that? Why? How is that LMW? Yo, welcome back, dude. I finally found the issue. I was loading the wrong byte size from the memory. I was loading a word instead of a byte. That's why it only worked with integers.
Oh.
Because the compiler was like, nah, man, everything's an integer. What are you on about? But it's not, because integers are 4 bytes long and a character is only 1 byte long. You see the issue I was getting? Ah, jeez. Wait,
That is a
how the
weird issue.
how do I fix this? Archetype dot upper. Who is archetype? Where is archetype? What if we say var type? Is the abbreviated version of char an int by accident? No, it's a char. Let me check the new tree. Dude, I've just been stressing out about this for like the past 10 minutes. And I was so dumb. Expression char is X. Yeah, that's correct. Huh. That doesn't make any sense. Oh Jesus. Yo, genau.
know.
Look at this.
Hmm?
Somehow, the type becomes an integer, even though the expression says, bro, it's a character. But it's like, nah, dude, nah. Get variable. Bro, it's because I'm referencing, I'm like saying, hey, compiler, have I declared this variable before? And it's like, oh yeah, dude, there was an X, like ages ago that you declared, which was an integer. I think this is the correct type, yeah? No, it's not. Oh my god. I can just get a from the expression. If I do 0. Hope this doesn't break. Okay, it broke. What if I do so lower? Oh, what? Okay, it doesn't like that. I should be able to supply a custom type using this.
You know what? Enough Rust for today. I'm just gonna play Minecraft.
Bro, you can't do that. Where's the programmer mindset? Where's the grind? Huh?
Honest, don't really care, you know. Okay, here's the thing.
What?
We programmers,
Yeah?
programming is dumb if you think about it. You're making a rock think.
Why not?
Why? Why make a rock think? You could think for yourself, you know. Stand up for yourself. Why are you making a rock do all the thinking?
It finally works. And yeah, I mean, I'm happy making rocks do my job, but you know, sometimes rock too dumb. So you have to become one with the rock.
Yeah,
Well,
see, exactly. That is the
Join the rock club, dude.
mindset, you know.
Exactly. Finally, the check passes. Yo, let's go.
And for some reason, Minecraft thinks I'm in offline mode, which I am not.
Why are you on Minecraft when you can be on Rust?
I could be on drugs if I want to. For legal reasons, that's a joke.
Yeah, you don't forget that we are. Jesus, what is that laugh?
Maybe I want to get caught, you know. Maybe I want to get
course.
free rent and food, you know.
Oh yeah, free. I don't know if you'll get that.
Yeah, then you just get straight up, you know, gets a death sentence, you know. That's
Dude.
also better than.
It took me 2 hours to implement return statements.
Damn.
Jesus.
Mine is
2
on a-
hours. I am the Rock. The Rock, Dwayne.
No, you're not.
Dwayne. Dude, wanna hop on
No, you're
Phasmo?
Phasma.
Phasma.
Bro.
Let's hop on Phasma. We haven't.
Okay, let's hop on Asthma, you know. Why not? I mean,
Let's hop on assembly, bro. Come on, dude. Help me debug. I would be really happy if you could help me debug, cause, bro, this is a.
bro, you think I could debug this shit?
You think I can debug this shit? This file is over 2,000 lines, just for the modules, which are full of like really detailed explanation of what each part does, and I still have no idea what each part does. I'm being completely honest with you, man.
Bro,
Exactly, it's a very big bra moment.
skill issue.
Yes, I am suffering from the lack of skill. Okay, let me just.
Dude, wanna
What? No, you go first.
go on?
No, you
I
go
was saying,
first.
wanna play the other backrooms game, like the one which we were unable
No,
to do.
it's too much
you know?
puzzles. I like scary. Phasma
Now
was
we know
fun.
how to finish it, you know?
How?
We could like, no, not finish, but we know how to do the first level now, you know? You won't have to, you know,
No, we're starting from first level again?
like,
Nah, I'm out. I'm
we
out.
could go from second level, but like, we could see what time we could get, you know, on the first level. Last time it took us the whole day, which is, you know, not really good.
Yeah, that's why I kind of don't like it. Like, we were just like so angry at it because we couldn't get past the level, and I think Phasma would be a bit more fun because scary. Yes,
Yes, man.
is our friend Sanjeev back from his trip?
No clue. Wait, yeah.
Yeah, X. Oh, he hasn't posted the videos yet.
No. Dude, he probably would have posted like, you know, like 10 night to Netherlands, like, you know, flight montage or something. He likes doing those.
How'd you know? Because he has. 11 days ago.
I know he has. He did like an Amsterdam to Chennai, I think.
Chennai to Mumbai.
Ah. Oh, so he would be back, I think. I don't think he has. I don't know. I mean,
Mr. Sanjeev. Oh Jesus, I forgot we gave him that nickname. Oh, so long ago. On his thumbnail thing, Mr. Sanjeev.
oh, bro.
Oh, he has like way more total views than I do.
Bro, he has like, yeah, he gets a lot of views because like RFS, like the community is really like, you know, small.
Yeah,
It's like a proper niche he found, which is good.
he hasn't uploaded in ages though. He used to upload what, like nearly every month, multiple times a month.
Like every week.
Yeah. His thumbnails look good too.
Yep. Bro, his thumbnails, I swear, I'm pretty sure. Like he had me like make those like thingies for his thumbnail, like the things to copy Muselk.
Bruh.
Banner as well. I think he just, you know, screenshotted Muselk's banner and like wrote on top of it.
You know what? Yeah, I can. Oh, what's that? Yeah, I can see some irregularities in the color. Oh, let me just change it.
Yeah, because it is Muselk's banner, dude.
There we go. Yeah. Wait. What? How do you spell Muselk?
I don't know. Just do like musk melon something. I don't know.
Muscle. Fortnite.
USCLK. Muscle.
Muselk? Oh,
Oh,
Muselk.
I don't think he does those red tags anymore the way Sanjeev does it, but yeah. Oh no, he does.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Dude,
You could
he
see that,
did.
right? Like,
He did. He just copied it. He copied it 1-to-1. Nah.
yeah, he did.
It's literally just
Look at the comments,
cropped.
Yeah.
Bro. I was wondering. Oh. Let me delete this
wow,
message.
Muselk is part of Luminosity. The fuck does he do in Luminosity? He doesn't play pro.
Bro. That the Jesus.
Bro, I know he copied him because he did it in front of me, dude.
Oh my
He
god.
did it in like
That's hilarious.
like one of the lessons.
Oh jeez. Wait, Music really fell off, didn't he? Like barely
did-
20k in some videos.
Bro, that sucks. Holy shit, man used to get like millions.
What was that? What was that list? You said, bro, that sucks. What was that? The way you said it, bro, that sucks. That's what you said.
I said, bro, that sucks. Because like, you know, he used to get millions.
Yeah. Oh jeez. Oh well. Oh wait, do I have Phasmo installed on? Oh, I have Phasmo installed on my Linux system. I don't even need to stop the stream. I can just
Nice.
keep it going. I can't wait for shoot FPS. What?
Not gonna lie, Laser managed to not fall off.
Did he?
Laser beam. Yeah, he got like 7.8 million views on his latest video.
Wait, what's his name again?
Laser beam. He gets a lot of views. Yeah.
Oh, my system is lagging.
His thumbnails are also fucking insane. And he uploads once every month or so.
Dude, my system was lagging so bad just now. Because Vulkan decided to process shaders. I had no idea what you were saying. I dropped so many
Yeah, you do it every
frames.
time for some reason.
Yeah. Oh, it's awful.
Yeah. I think you're not using. I think you're using a software processor.
Yeah, I'm using software
Software
render
encoder.
because no GPU in this laptop.
You're using software.
I'm using yes. I think I'm probably gonna stop the stream.
Software man couldn't be me. Oh my gosh! What the fuck was that?
I'm trying to stop the stream. I can't. Help. Where's my mouse?
Ubuntu is gain installed.